Rice is the main food crop in Bangladesh. To cope with an increased population, rice production also needs to be increased. But spotted and discolored seed are a big constraint for increased production. In order to increase production, spotted seed should be removed. By seeing this video, you'll learn how to clean seed as one of the interventions to produce and use healthy seed. So from what you've seen and heard, you've learned that spotted and discolored seed cause much harm. For example, they spread disease and reduce yield. But by sorting out spotted and discolored seed, you can benefit a lot. That will help both your income and well-being. And together the country and the nation will move towards development. Remember, good seed brings a good crop.